never like, never like, never like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a clean with me or a closet clean with me. My closet has been so unorganized on my side of the closet, not my husband's side of the closet. That's why I'm only going to be doing my side. His side stay clean all the time. If you guys are new to my channel, please take a moment to actually subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by removing all of the items from the top of my closet, and this is where I was storing all of my handbags. I'm going to put them in a new place because it's really difficult for me to change handbags because they are stored at the top. And sometimes I tend to forget which handbags I actually have. Now I'm going to be removing all the shoes from the bottom of my closet. I would like to store the shoes at the top of my closet because I've put each pair of shoes inside of these containers that I ordered off Amazon, and I would definitely link them below so that you can purchase them. It definitely keeps me organized, and the fact that it's clear is a bonus, and I can see through the box and see what shoe is inside the box. Now you guys, there's a method to my madness. I'm going to be putting all of my professional work stilettos at this portion of the closet, and I'm going to be working my way down to flats and tennis shoes. Now, I'm not going to remove every item out of the closet because I really don't have a place to store all of this stuff. So what I'm going to do is try to organize it while it's hanging up. So I am starting at the back with coats. Then I'm working my way up with organizing everything that's long, like my long dresses, my jumpsuits, and then, you know, just working my way all the way up to basically my business professional wear that don't have sleeves at all.
All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decisions. It is part of the deal. You like it?
Now, the few items that I did take out, I'm putting them back in right now. And these are my long sleeve business professional wear because, you know, I have to go inside of the office for work and business. I think they've kind of changed it to business casual now, but I still have a lot of business professional attire. I also have a lot of blazers. So this video is part 1, you guys. I'm going to have a part 2 where we're going to actually go through and declutter some of these items. This is just a clean with me. I'm really kind of organizing it, but not as much as I really can.
We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decisions. It is part of the deal. You like it? You like it? So watch my body, just take it all in. Take it all in. Just take it all in. pay attention. I'm coming your way. I'm coming your way. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I get it.
Alright, so in this portion of the video, I am just going through separating each item. I don't want them really touching because I do have enough space in my closet to where there's plenty room for each item. Now, I don't have my summer wardrobe in my closet. It's actually downstairs in my basement closet. So now I'm just going through and I'm removing all of the junk items. Every item on this particular row, I don't really need. It's really stuff that I could throw away. I don't know why I was hoarding it. But I guess when we moved in, I didn't really have a place for these items, and now I do. So this was the perfect time to go through and clean my closet. God, you guys, I don't even do yoga. That was a yoga mat in my hand. And hubby came through with a drink. Okay, what other way to make cleaning your closet fun is when you have a great drink. I believe it was a tequila sunrise. He loves making tequila sunrises. So now I am going through my closet, you guys, and I'm going to remove every single pair of pants, skirt, dress skirt that I have, because I'm also going to make it look uniformed, meaning how everything on the first row is long to short. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the bottom row. Now, before we get to putting everything back in the closet, I'm going to take a moment to get my purses together and some of my boots that I don't like to, or I don't want to wrinkle and put in those clear containers. I want to leave them in their original boxes, are going to remain on the floor. You guys, I didn't realize how many shoes I have. I have a serious problem, real bad. Alright, so next I'm going to be putting my handbags back in my closet. So I'm going to start with the biggest or largest tote all the way down to those really small handbags, clutches. To the Goodwill. So now I am putting my pants in the closet, and I'm starting with my pajama pants. Yes, I hang up my pajama pants because I'm a crazy person. I don't know. You guys, if you hang up your pajama pants, like, let me know below in the comment section, because a lot of people, like friends and family, tell me it's crazy and pajama pants belong in your drawer or your chest. You guys, this is also a really great way for you to organize your pants and be able to get pants out of your closet that you can no longer wear. And I like to write down what I need, what colors I shouldn't buy if I'm getting ready to go shopping. So that is very, very, very important. And this is what the closet looked like before. It was a really unorganized, junky mess. and this is the after. Look, it looks so much better, and I didn't use anybody's way of organizing my closet. I just, what makes sense to me. So you guys, if you like videos like this, make sure you don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I hope it inspired you to go and clean your closet out. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in another video.